In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Maps app isn't responding error. So if you're trying to use Google Maps but the app isn't responding, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. In the first method, go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. Now this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Maps, and if you tap on it, you'll be taken to the app info page. Here first, go to Force Stop App and OK, and again go to Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache and OK. Finally, clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to Maps, everything now should be up and running without any issue. However, if the app still does not respond, check and then see if you're using any VPN app, turn it off or uninstall it from your smartphone to fix this. However, at this point, if you still have an issue, then check and then see if you have any update for your app by searching for the app through either Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone, and update your app to the latest version. By doing this, now you should have the latest version that shouldn't have any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. But still, if you have done all this and nothing works, then you need to uninstall your Google Maps app and install it afresh. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.